So I acquired this 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited four-wheel drive with the 4-liter inline straight six, and the fan doesn't work, the electric fan. So I thought I was going to take this headlight out and find the electric fan relay, but I was sadly mistaken because I had already found this hole here with this big ass plastic box. I've never seen this out of all the Grand Cherokees I've ever worked on. So my question is, what is this box? Now, it's got a rubber hose going to it, and I pulled that rubber hose off, and it actually caused the Cherokee to get about 500 more RPM while it was running. The idle increased about that much. Hooked it back up. Well, after I retaped it, and filled up that hole, the idle came back down again. But yeah, now the Jeep, after I turned it off, started it again, it has a high idle now. Like if I give it gas and take it to 1500 RPM, it stays at 1500 RPM. If I tap the gas again, it goes to 1850 or 2000 RPM, it stays at 2000 RPM. So my question is, what does this hose go to? What is that box? I don't have a clue, and I'm just kind of stumped because I was really expecting a electric fan relay. So if you got any questions or any comments or any ideas what the hell this is, please leave it below in the comments. Thanks.